Hello, I'm Dr. Masrat Jahan. I'm from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. I've come to Medicity for the course of my fellowship in Obs and Gynae, and I've attended there 5 days of hands-on training. I wanted to do the fellowship because I was at home and I thought it would be a skill that I could develop, and it was in the pace of my time. So I thought an online training would be better, and the hands-on training so that I can have a real-time experience with high-risk obs, and I had a really great time. And I found that Medicity had a short span of time within 3 months. It's really easy for me to complete. I think that the counseling part, I'm really uh, got better with the number of patients I have attended with Dr. Swati Mani. And I think I can do better now. I can counsel to the other fellow patients, which I'll be seeing in further. The online lectures were really good. They were detailed, they were theoretical, and I felt that every part, every small detail was explained very well by Mrs. Rajni Mittal and the fellow professors. So I think it was really great. The most important I liked are the diabetes in pregnancy and hypertension in pregnancy, because these are the two major complications which nowadays a lot of females are facing, and even the high age pregnancies. This is something which is very life threatening. So I think this is something I've learned here a lot, because that's the max number of patients I've seen. Of course, I have gained a lot of exposure, and I think I can do much pretty well with my patients confidently. And since Obs and Gynae is my field of interest, so I think this skill has upgraded me as well. The doctors are really good. I like the patient-doctor interaction. Also, the patient safety is maintained. The security is maintained. Every detail of the patient is being taken by the doctor herself, and she manages it. She takes every case with proper detail. She sees herself with ultrasound. That is something which I haven't experienced with other gynacs as a training. So I think this has really helped me know that we have to focus on each patient. Yes, of course, I would like to tell other people that if you are interested in obs and gynae or into high risk obs especially, and it is easier that you can do it in your time. So this is a benefit of doing an online fellowship. And a 5 day hands-on training, I think that's the minimum you can have, and you can experience a lot in those 5 days. So I think it's really good. I felt it's very safe. I haven't been judged. There is no bias as such with caste, creed, or anything. I felt really safe. I was welcomed properly in the hospital, and I was not treated like an outsider. So yeah, thank you, Medicity, for giving this opportunity.